Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and then launching the app. Open Nothing Gallery and sign in. Once done, grant storage and camera permission so the app can import and capture files. Make sure microphone is allowed for video notes. After verification via OTP, pick an import source, local storage versus cloud, and choose folders. You're now ready to create your first album and import a handful of photos. This immediately starts the app's indexing and face grouping processes. Once your content is indexed, you'll focus on organization and detailed edits. You create albums and use auto-grouping to cluster faces and scenes. If needed, drag and drop photos into folders. Next, tap an image to enter edit mode. Apply crop, rotate, filters, and tweak exposure and temperature to achieve the look you want. Make sure to add tags and descriptive keywords so search surfaces items quickly. Finally, test the smart search with a person's name, a location, or a date to confirm index. To finish, you'll prepare content for sharing and backup. Share an album directly to other apps or create a shareable link, then set expiry and permission levels. Next, enable backup to your cloud account or a local NAS and confirm sync status and the last backup timestamp. This prevents future loss. If something goes wrong, missing thumbnails or faulty search, clear the app cache, force a reindex of the library, and restart. If problems persist, reinstall the app to reset corrupted components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.